Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to make a group on Snapchat and fix it if you can't. So go to chat section, choose three dots on the top right and choose new chat. You're gonna choose this new group button, like tap on it and first write the name of the group, and from here you're gonna select people you want to add to a group and just chat with group. The group is created, very easy. So you can also add members afterwards and invite via link. But if you can't make a group, please make sure first that you updated Snapchat to the newest version. Then try to restart your phone, because it can cause some little problems that can be fixed by restarting your phone. If it still doesn't work, you go to Snapchat application settings by pressing and holding to the icon and go to this info button. Or else go to settings, search for app management, and from there search for Snapchat. Now choose force stop, go to storage usage and clear the cache, go to permissions and make sure you gave all permissions to Snapchat that it requires, because it can also cause some problems and you don't want them. So after this it should work, but if it still doesn't work, you can also just contact support team of Snapchat, because more likely they will help you with the problem. For those who don't know how to contact support team, gonna go to your settings and search for I need help, and at the bottom you'll find this contact us button, and there you're gonna write some additional information like your email or phone number, then describe your problem, and they'll answer you maybe like within several hours, I don't know. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Please make sure that you liked it and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.